So that's how they behave. Now notice how they just keep expanding, and that one that I touched twice was expanding twice, so it expanded a bit faster. Number one, we want to center their anchor point. So from transform, we want center anchor point of myself when created. That'll make them expand out from their center. Number two is we only want them to inflate when we've touched them once. So we're going to make a new variable to detect whether they've started inflating or not. So we'll go to properties, set true false I. This one will be set when we're created, and it won't be called I. We'll rename it to inflating, and we'll start it out as false because it's not inflating. And then when it's touched by the player or the bullet, we'll ask if it is inflating. If inflating equals false. If inflating equals false, we're going to set inflating to true and then start inflating. And this prevents inflate from being run multiple times. Alright, let's test that out now. Looks pretty cool. Now when they get to a certain size, that's when we want them to explode. So in our inflate function, we'll only have it inflate if it is under 150% of its size. If it's got to 150%, then we'll get it to explode. So we want another if block, and we want to do all of this if scale x of myself is smaller than 1.5. So from operators we want equals, change that to less than, and then the number on the right be 1.5, and then on the left we want scale x of myself. If we were to test this out now, we'd see that it'll stop when it gets to 1.5. So there we go, they get to a certain size, and when they get to that size, we'll get them to explode.